So hi, may I know your name?
Anushka Sharma.
Anushka. So Anushka, how was your overall experience at LevelUp IAS in this GS Foundation course?
Ma'am, I joined in April. There were only few students. I was one of them. And then I'm someone who has watched this institution grow, not only in like terms of the number of students, but also in terms of like I have seen things. So my experience, I would say, it cannot be expressed in few words, but I would like to say that LevelUp IAS is not an institution. It's just not an institution, it's a family. We have Santosh sir, who is like a brother. We have Nikhil sir, who is like a big brother. Dimple ma'am, motherly figure, I will say, a big sisterly. So experience here have been like a family kind of thing, and when we talk about studies,
Yeah.
equally important, good. I mean, I would say the experience. So therefore, have been holy. And
Since you talked about the teachers also, so how approachable they were during your preparation?
approachable, not just the teachers, but the staff, the overall staff. Anil sir, we have Harish sir, who does the answer writing suggestions part. So everything has been good, I would say. Yeah.
And the tests, weekly test and monthly test, how have they helped you? GS Foundation course in general and the tests particularly, how have they helped you in this preparation of yours?
Tests have played an important part, as does in any student's journey through this preparation of UPSC. So weekly tests were there, then there were monthly tests, 6 monthly tests, half yearly tests, and then now there will be full length tests. So they have played a major role in terms of answer writing, or in subjective or be it objective questions. So teachers support, even after the test we have detailed solution. So everything has been superb. Just
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this experience?
I just 10. I mean,
Okay, one more question was there in my mind. Like, as far as the syllabus is concerned, your friends must have been taking classes from other institutes also. So are you somewhere in sync with them, or what is like, is the...
no, ma'am. With the moment I started my journey with LevelUp IAS, it's been everything that I have, nothing beyond that. And even the teacher said that in our orientation class itself that the classes would be enough. So I have not gone beyond that. It's just the LevelUp IAS material, and the revision is everything. So
Okay, Anushka, thank you so much for your time and good luck for the exam.
thank you.
Thank you.